How's it going, everyone? So today I want to talk about how to fix anterior pelvic tilt while you are sleeping. So I got this question from a subscriber, so I'm going to go over that with you guys right now. Before we begin though, please subscribe to my channel though if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Also, if you guys are interested in online personal training from me, my email is in the description box. Send me a quick email. We can talk details. So let's start. What is the best sleeping position when you are trying to fix anterior pelvic tilt? How do you fix it? Is it possible to fix it while you are sleeping? And here's the thing. I had anterior pelvic tilt, you guys. And what that is that's your pelvic. It's tilted. Your pelvis is tilted, you guys. So it looks like your lower back is arched. You do not want this at all. So I will tell you the best sleeping position. I will tell you some more sleeping positions, what you can do to fix that. I will also tell you guys a big reason why you're getting anterior pelvic tilt to begin with. Because yes, it's awesome to fix it, but once we fix it, we need to make sure that it's stopped and it never comes back again. So that's very important. So what is the best sleeping position? Hands down, everyone agrees, all of the experts agree, sleeping on your back is the best. When you sleep on your back, you will give your spine a natural curve, and that is what you want. It's not the same as anterior pelvic tilt. Again, anterior pelvic tilt, the pelvis is tilted, you guys. So sleeping on your back is the best position. There is no other way to say it. There has been a ton of studies, and they all suggest that if you want to fix it while sleeping, you gotta sleep on your back. Here's what most people do, and here's what I used to do as well. Most people who have anterior pelvic tilt, what they do is they sleep on their sides. Why? Because it feels easier on your back, you guys. But when you sleep on your side, you're twisting your torso, and you do not want that, you guys. You're twisting the pelvis. You do not want this at all. You do not want to be sleeping on your side if you have anterior pelvic tilt. It's not, I understand that it is the most comfortable position, and it's something that you guys want to do because it feels nice, you fall asleep better, but you need to lay on your back. It's as simple as that. If you really must sleep on your side, then what you can do is put a pillow in between your knees. This actually does help, and believe it or not, this is what I used to do because it felt better on my back. It felt better for the anterior pelvic tilt. Simply putting a pillow between your knees. It helps. If you don't think it helps, try it tonight. Put a little pillow between your knees. You will see that it feels amazing, you guys. It actually eases up your back, helps the anterior pelvic tilt. Okay, so that's the side position. Again, you don't want to do it laying on your back, but if you have to, put a pillow between there. Okay, let's talk about sleeping on your stomach. It's awful, completely awful for your anterior pelvic tilt. It won't do anything for it. So if you're trying to fix it while you're sleeping, it won't do anything. At least sleeping on your back, it will try to fix it a little bit, just because when you sleep on your back, it tries to get you a natural curve. But sleeping on your stomach is pointless. It's horrible. It is the worst position that you can possibly sleep on. And all the experts agree on this, completely agree on this, that it is the worst position. So let's say that you now fix your anterior pelvic tilt. It's fixed just from sleeping. Let's say that. I recommend some more exercises though first. But what can we do to prevent it? What can we do to never get anterior pelvic tilt again? And how do we fix it? How can you fix anterior pelvic tilt? If you guys want to know some exercises, well, the reason why you have anterior pelvic tilt, and it's because of our society, what we do nowadays. We are lazy. We are lazy people. Really lazy. People sleeping for 9, 10, 11, 12 hours. It's awful, you guys. For me to be productive, I get 5 to 6 hours of sleep every single night just because that gives me more time during the day to be more productive and to build my business. So we are a lazy freaking society. We are lazy, we are obese, we are overweight, and that's why we have anterior pelvic tilt. But the biggest thing because of the laziness is that we sit all day. All day we are sitting. Countries where they do lots of walking. Japan is hands down the healthiest country. The healthiest freaking, Japan's a country, I believe. I don't know. Yes, Japan's a country. Japan, the healthiest, 2% obese rate. That's it, 2%. America's 41%, I think. Canadians are at 28%. So 2%. Japan people know what they are doing. Japanese people know what they are doing. Notice, none of them, not a single one, I mean maybe a couple, have anterior pelvic tilt. Why? Because their lifestyle, they're constantly walking throughout the frickin' day. They do not sit all single day. They don't sit all day. And yes, the ones that do have corporate jobs, guess how they get home? You have to realize people in Japan, they don't drive. Like, driving is very, very uncommon. You would never see people driving. It's all walking, commuting, trains, everything. Like, it's really neat. So even the people that sit all day, when they want to go home, they might have an hour, hour and a half walk home. So guess what? They're not going to get anterior pelvic tilt. So here's what happens. You get the anterior pelvic tilt because your muscles in your ass, your back, and your legs, all of those, they start to tighten up because you are sitting all day. And in order to fix that, they need to be relaxed, you guys. They need to be stretched. What we do is they are constantly tightened all day. So when you're walking, you're moving, you're constantly moving throughout the day, you do not get anterior pelvic tilt. If you sit all day, naturally your muscles will contract. They'll get really tight. You don't want that. So it's your lifestyle, you guys. So how can we fix that? What do we do? I highly, highly recommend doing planks. Planks are freaking amazing for fixing your anterior pelvic tilt because they force you to use your glutes. They force you to make your ass go down to stretch. And what this does is it will tilt your pelvis, you guys. It is a very good exercise to perform. That's all you have to do is planks. Planks, hold your core, hold your back, squeeze your glutes, as simple as that. Do that for however long that you can possibly do it, 2-3 minutes at a crack. Very easy, very simple to do. Over time, progressively get better. So that's the end of the video. I don't want to make this video too long, but hopefully I did answer the subscriber question. I'm pretty sure I did. Again, best sleeping position, laying on your back, hands down. In order to fix anterior pelvic tilt, just simply do planks and try to be more active throughout the day. You guys, stop sitting down so much. It's very bad. So end of video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Thank you.